Vaccination plays a major role in pigeon raising. In South Africa, it is compulsory to vaccinate your pigeons against pox and paramyxo. I vaccinate my pigeons against pox, various times against paramyxo, and I also vaccinate against paratyphoid. Today I want to show you how I vaccinate against pigeon pox. Now, it's estimated that there's around about 21 strains of different pigeon pox. So you can basically vaccinate against one. But one is better than nothing, because if you do not vaccinate, you will get ugly pox. So normally when you get the pigeon pox, they appear either on the eyelid of the pigeon, or on the beak, or inside the beak, and sometimes on the wing. So in isolation, it's not really dangerous. One or two pox will come and go, and it's not a problem. But when you get it bad, especially on the beak and inside the throat, then there can be deforming, and the pigeons can eventually die from it. So I use Medipox to vaccinate against pigeon pox. It's a highly efficient vaccination. So Medipox, you get the distilled water and you get the actual vaccination. So you mix the two, and then you've got a few options. So I prefer to vaccinate on one of the big pectoral muscles. So I take a syringe with a small needle, and I just dip it into the vaccine, and just then I just scratch the surface. You only need to break it a little, and then the pox will grow in a few days. A different option is to vaccinate on one of the feet or the foot of the pigeon. So you can do it right about there. Some pigeons, fanciers, prefer that because you can see when it grows easily. And then a third option is high on the leg, basically here. You can pull a few of those blood pens or blood feathers, and then you get a little brush which you can dip into the vaccine, and where it's bleeding there, you can just brush over it, and that is also effective. But I prefer to vaccinate on the big muscles. Then the pox will grow, and after a week or two, it will dry out and fall off. So you rarely get 100% of the pox to grow, but that is no problem, because once you vaccinated the pigeons, they get a little fever for a day or two. So every pigeon in the loft will catch on to it. So if a pox doesn't grow, some of a pox, it's no problem. The pigeon will be immune. So I prefer to vaccinate my pigeons against pox in early January. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a brilliant day.